The KHSUIN Smart Bulbs offer an impressive 16 watts of power, comparable to 150 watts in traditional bulbs, ensuring ultra-bright illumination with 1600 lumens. With the ability to change to over 16 million colors, these bulbs provide a vivid, full-color experience, allowing you to customize your space with precision and creativity. These smart bulbs feature advanced automation options, enabling users to set triggers based on weather, time, and personal routines for a seamless lighting experience. The Smart Panel feature allows for energy tracking and environment adapting, giving users insights into their energy consumption while offering customizable routines for comfort. 5 control modes, including voice and app control, make these smart bulbs highly versatile, allowing for individual or group adjustments with ease. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with no hub required, making it easy to connect these bulbs with Alexa or Google Smart Home devices using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi.